So today we're going to change the wiper blades on the Explorer. So if you're not familiar with the sizes, driver side is 26 inches, passenger side 22 inches. Going with Trico today, Trico Tech. So I got them because I have a friend that gave me a set. So I'm going to use these. We're going to replace the existing wiper blades today on the Explorer Interceptor or Utility Interceptor. So let's open these up and then we'll start the replacement on the driver's side and then the passenger side. Okay, so we're going to start with the blade itself. You're going to push down this little piece so the piece pops up, and you're going to pull it this direction as my index finger is going. So I'm going to see if I can do this two-handed. So as you can see, now it is loosened, and now you pull it and you pull it out. So pieces, work with me please. Okay, so this was part D as in Delta. You're not going to need that. You're going to need the BC part. So what you need to do is disconnect C from B and C. And then what you do is you pop it into the wiper blade. So we're doing that now. So you line it up in the grooves and it snaps in. So that's the first and second part. So removal of D, then BC, remove C. So then part two is B into the actual wiper. And so now we're going to put the wiper into, so you want to put the pieces in the back in first. So these pieces, you want to pop them in right here, right where there's an indentation. Pop it in, get it hooked, and then you're gonna snap it real hard. 1, 2, 3. Looks to be in. Well, that's in, and there you have it. Your wiper for the driver's side is done. So then you need to make sure you remove the plastic piece, and your wiper on the driver's side is good to go. So that is the driver side portion. Now we're going to do the passenger side the same way and install it on the passenger side now. Okay, so now that we're a pro at the steps, we're going to do this lightning round. And ready, set, go. Okay, now that we've got the passenger side ready to go, we've replaced D as in Delta, we've removed part C, Charlie, and we went to Beta. Now that we're a pro, we're gonna throw it on the car, not literally because that could be bad, and yeah, so we're gonna replace it right now. Okay, so we're gonna do it somewhat quick. We're gonna push it forward. So push the tab piece forward on the old existing. That's out. So bye-bye. Skadoosh. And then we're gonna try and do this one-handed because challenge accepted. All right. Lift. Indentations. And 1, 2, 3, done. And removal of the plastic. And there you have it, all done. And you're done. Driver and passenger officially replaced. Good to go. And that's it. And there you have your steps to replace your wiper blades. Thanks for watching. See you next time.